Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. We're going to show you how to set up the smooth motion of your screen. That is been searching for the settings. Now go back to display and there is a motion smoothness option. Yep, when you get it on a high, you have only 19 Hz screen refresh rate. In the standard you will have 16 refresh screen. It saves up the battery if you wish, the standard option, but if you get the standard option of the smooth screen, it's been much slower, a little bit, but you get that high, it will be 19, but I don't know if you see this on camera, but it's much more smoother right now, but your battery will be much higher with usage. So that's it about this motion smoothness. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.